For millennia, the humble candle has been a beacon in the darkness. From the earliest civilizations to the modern age, candles have illuminated our homes, places of worship, and special occasions. They have served as a source of light, warmth, and ambiance, connecting us to a long and rich history. The story of the candle is a testament to human ingenuity. Early candles were rudimentary, often consisting of animal fats or beeswax formed around a wick. Over centuries, candle making evolved, with new materials and techniques emerging to improve efficiency and brightness. The invention of the kerosene lamp in the 19th century marked a turning point. Kerosene, a more refined and readily available fuel, produced a brighter and cleaner flame than traditional candles. This innovation, along with the advent of gas lighting and eventually electric lights, gradually diminished the candle's role as a primary light source. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. Despite the rise of alternative lighting methods, candle making endured. The development of paraffin wax in the mid-1800s revolutionized the industry. Paraffin, derived from petroleum, was affordable, readily available, and produced a clean-burning candle. The Industrial Revolution brought about mass production techniques, making candles more accessible to the masses. New candle molds and machinery allowed for greater efficiency and consistency, leading to a wider variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. The 20th century saw the rise of container candles, where wax was poured into jars or other vessels, offering a safer and longer burn time. Fragrances were also introduced, adding another layer of sensory experience to the candle's allure. These innovations solidified the candle's place as a decorative and aromatic element in homes and businesses. Today, artificial intelligence is bringing a new wave of innovation to the candle industry. AI algorithms are being employed to optimize every stage of the candle-making process, from sourcing raw materials to designing intricate scents. AI-powered systems are analyzing vast datasets to identify trends in consumer preferences, enabling manufacturers to tailor their products to specific markets and demographics. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots are automating tasks that were once laborious and time-consuming. These robots can precisely measure and mix ingredients, pour wax with exceptional accuracy, and package candles with speed and efficiency. This automation not only increases production output, but also minimizes waste and improves consistency. AI is also playing a crucial role in quality control, detecting imperfections in candles that might otherwise go unnoticed. By analyzing images and data collected from sensors, AI systems can identify flaws in wax, wick placement, or other aspects of candle construction. This ensures that only the highest quality products reach consumers, enhancing brand reputation and customer satisfaction. A glimpse into the future candle making in the age of AI. The future of candle making holds exciting possibilities with the continued integration of AI. We can anticipate even greater personalization, with AI algorithms crafting unique scent profiles based on individual preferences. Imagine a candle that adjusts its fragrance based on the time of day, mood, or occasion, creating a truly immersive sensory experience. AI-powered design tools could enable consumers to create their own custom candles, choosing from a vast library of shapes, colors, and fragrances. These tools could even simulate how a candle will burn, allowing users to preview the final product before it's even made. The sustainability of candle making will also benefit from AI advancements. AI algorithms can optimize the use of eco-friendly materials, minimize waste during production, and even design candles that burn more efficiently, reducing their carbon footprint. AI's ability to analyze complex data sets will be instrumental in developing sustainable practices for the future of the industry. The Sustainable Glow AI and eco-friendly candles. As environmental awareness grows, the demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products is increasing. The candle industry is no exception. AI is playing a crucial role in developing candles that are both beautiful and environmentally responsible. By analyzing the life cycles of various materials, AI can identify eco-friendly alternatives to traditional waxes, wicks, and fragrances. AI can also optimize the manufacturing process to minimize waste and energy consumption. Smart sensors and algorithms can monitor and adjust production parameters in real time, ensuring that resources are used efficiently. This not only reduces the environmental impact of candle making, but also lowers production costs, making eco-friendly candles more accessible to consumers. AI's ability to analyze complex data will be crucial in developing sustainable sourcing practices. By tracking the origins of raw materials, AI can help manufacturers ensure that ingredients are ethically sourced and environmentally responsible. This transparency will give consumers confidence that their candles are not only beautiful, but also contribute to a healthier planet. A timeless flame candles in the digital age. In an increasingly digital world, the candle remains a symbol of warmth, comfort, and connection. While technology has transformed many aspects of our lives, the simple act of lighting a candle continues to hold a special significance. The flickering flame creates a sense of ambiance, helping us to relax, unwind, and appreciate the present moment. AI is not replacing the candle's inherent beauty and appeal, it is enhancing it. By optimizing the candle-making process, AI is making high-quality candles more accessible to everyone. By developing sustainable practices, AI is ensuring that candles can continue to be enjoyed for generations to come. The candle, once a primary source of light, has evolved into a symbol of celebration, relaxation, and mindfulness. As AI continues to shape the world around us, the humble candle endures, reminding us of the simple pleasures that bring light and warmth to our lives. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.